Hi, Bella. Oh. Are you gonna chat with us? Are you gonna chat? Hi, Belle. You gonna chat? You're wearing your little squirrel shirt today, hey? You like your big girl outfit? Hmm? You gonna chit chat like you did yesterday? Hmm? No, you're just gonna stare, hey? That's okay, that's cool. That's cool. As you wish. Yay, Bella!